In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use metric widgets in Smartsheet dashboards. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, informative dashboard that highlights key numbers from your sheets. Start by signing into Smartsheet and heading to Home. From here, create a new project. You can start with a template. There are role-based options designed for company management and other use cases, or you can build from scratch. Templates are great for speed and structure, but I'll show the process from scratch so you see every choice. Choose a new workspace as your starting point, so your dashboard and related items are organized together. Then select Dashboard as the item you want to create. When the dashboard canvas opens, click Get Started to enter edit mode. Next, add your first element by selecting Add Widget, then choose Metric. Metric widgets surface values from a sheet or report and are perfect for KPIs like totals, counts, or status summaries. Click Add Data to connect the widget to a source. You can search for the sheet or report by name if you know it, or browse and choose it from your folders or workspace. Confirm your choice to open the data picker. Now select the exact cells you want to display. Click and drag to highlight a single cell or a small range depending on what you want the metric to show. This could be a summary field or a calculated cell. Once you've selected it, click OK to confirm. You should see the value appear in the widget preview on the canvas. With the widget placed, you'll see settings on the side. Rename the title so it clearly describes the number, like Open Tickets or Total Budget. Under Widget Behavior, choose what happens when viewers click the widget. Often it's helpful to open the source sheet so people can drill into details when they need to. If you want the label and value arranged vertically rather than side by side, select the Stacked option. This can improve readability, especially for larger numbers. Arrange the widget on the dashboard by dragging it to the desired position. Use the alignment controls to align the content left, center, or right, keeping your layout consistent across multiple metrics. Give the title one final pass to ensure it's concise and meaningful, then revisit widget behavior to confirm the click-through setting matches your audience's needs. That's it, your first metric widget is live. Repeat the process for additional KPIs, keep titles consistent, and align everything for a polished, professional dashboard. Save your changes, and you're ready to share clear, actionable insights with your team.